Umbuzo uthi yindaba abantu kuma relationships bengafuni ukucommit, yindaba abantu besilisa bengafuni ukucommit, yindaba abantu besifazane bengafuni ukucommit, yini le inkinga besides ukulobolana nani but yini le edala ukuthi kube nzima kubantu besilisa nabantu besifazane ukuthi bacommit? Yindaba impendulo ilele kwizathu ezimbili. Number 1, into edala ukuthi abantu besilisa bengacommit kwi-most yabantu besifazane, it's because of what abantu besilisa want from women. I-most yabantu besifazane 80% abazi ukuthi yini le ifuna abantu besilisa. Baze basho abanye bathi ayi asibazi abantu besilisa bafunani, baqinisile ngempela abazi bafunani. So iyona-ke into edala ukuthi abantu besilisa bangakhomithi if kuwukuthi lento abayifunayo abayitholi kumuntu wesifazane bese bayadlula bayamshintsha, move on to the next one. Athi uyafika nakhona lento ayifunayo ayikho, move on to the next one. It's the same thing nakubantu besifazane. Yindaba bengafuni ukucommit, it's because lento abayifunayo abantu besifazane sometimes kuyenzeka kulowo muntu wesilisa abasuke benaye bangayitholi, and then they end up moving on to the next one. Kokunye bababhange because khona lento abasuke beyifuna, right? Ake siqale ngabantu besilisa. Bafunani abantu besilisa? Abantu besilisa into abayifunayo kumuntu wesifazane, number 1, bafuna inhlonipho. I don't care ukuthi lo muntu wesilisa uyiplayer, I don't care ukuthi lo muntu wesilisa uyikhehla, uyibhungu, bafuna inhlonipho. I don't care ukuthi uyasonta akasonto umfundisi, bafuna inhlonipho, bafuna uthando. Bafuna umuntu wesifazane ozokwazi ukusubmit. Bafuna umuntu wesifazane ozokwazi ukuthi abe companion, akwazi ukuthi eze nomqondo nobuhlakani ekutheni abe umlekeleli wakhe. Bafuna umuntu wesifazane onesimilo, yebo. So it all has to do with the character yomuntu, the personality yomuntu. Iyona into abayifuna kakhulu kumuntu wesifazane. Yes, nobuhle kumele bube khona, kodwa u-80% wezinto abayifunayo ilezi engiyibalile. Unfortunately, u-80% wabantu besifazane awunazo lezi zinto engiyibalile. Ukuthola ukuthi abantu besilisa bafuna lezi zinto bese yafika umuntu wesifazane ezinobuhle kuphela, azi ukuthi menobuhle nomzimba kuphelele. That is what most yabantu besifazane prioritize nowadays. Wazi ukuthi umuntu menginomzimba omuhle, nginefika, nginezinqa, ngimuhle, sekuphelele. That's why they prioritize ubuhle. That's why they spend so much money and time ebuhleni, because bazi ukuthi iyona into ayicatch umuntu wesilisa, yabo. And then uthola ukuthi uzobe sayithola indoda, bese indoda i-enjoy lobo buhle, i-enjoy lo mzimba, izanelise ngoku-enjoy lobo buhle nalowo mzimba, bese i-move on to the next one uma isicikekile lobo buhle nalowo mzimba, noma uma esidelile lowo mzimba nalobo buhle. Ngoba ithe mithi yabheka ayi lo muntu lo enhlonipha yikho, isimila sikho, ukufundiseka kukho, ubuhlakani abukho, khona ubuhle nomzimba kuphela. And then they will end up moving on to the next one, because in most yabantu besifazane ba prioritize ini ubuhle nomzimba. It's because of the influences noma indlela ba influenceka ngayo abantu besifazane. They used to be trained, babe train abantu besifazane ukuthi uba kanjani umuntu wesifazane onesimilo, uba kanjani umuntu wesifazane ohloniphayo nohloniphekile, uba kanjani umuntu wesifazane onobuhlakani, uba kanjani umuntu wesifazane ofundisekile. Konke lokho akusenziwa because the main priority is umzimba wakho nobuhle bakho, yabo. So ukathi umuntu wesilisa methu uyafika konke lokho akukho, and then they will move on to the next one, and i-commitment iyasafarisha. Kokunye uthola ukuthi uzothi afike umuntu wesilisa afike athole umuntu wesifazane ofundile onezimali, uthola ukuthi lo muntu wesifazane uprioritize ukuba nezimali kwakhe nokufunda kwakhe, kanti umuntu wesilisa akafuni lokho, akafuni ubuhle bakho. ubuhle bakho buza in the form of physical body bese buza in the form of izinto onazo. Uthola ukuthi umuntu wesilisa akanandaba ukuthi unani, akanamsebenzi ukuthi unekhampani yakho, akanamsebenzi ukuthi uprofessor noma ulawyer noma udokotela, akanandaba nalokho. Yena ufuna lezi zinto lezi ayifunayo. Isimilo, ukufundiseka, inhlonipho, ukusubmitha, ukuba icompanion nakho konke lokho. Thola ukuthi wena uphakambisa ukuthi mina ngifundile, I have a PhD, I have a matric certificate. Bese ngenxa yokuthi lento ayifunayo yikho bese icommitment iyanqaba, angakwazi ukuthi acommit adlulele phambili ngoba ufuna lento ayifunayo. That's why most yabantu besilisa bengafuni ukucommit noma kuba nzima ukuthi bacommit, because of lento abayifunayo ku 80% wabantu besifazane ayikho. Abantu besifazane abasatrainwa kulezi zinto because they need to be trained. Kumele bafundiswe, kumele bathole wisdom, kumele bakhuliswe. Akusenze konke lokho because the main thing ubuhle ukuthi mina ngimuhle physically nanokuthi nginani, no matric, mina nguprofessor, yonke leyo nto le into engathi shu. So isizathu sokuqala leso esidala ukuthi abantu besilisa bangakwazi ukucommit. Bese siya kubantu besifazane. Yindaba bangakwazi ukukhomitha emadodeni ingoba lento abayifunayo abantu besifazane sometimes abantu besilisa they misunderstand it. Abantu besifazane yinto abayifunayo, they lack things, bafuna izinto, they are attracted to things. Let me repeat this. Abantu besifazane 80% wabo 90% 95% wabo they are attracted to things. I don't care ukuthi intombazane esesontweni, I don't care ukuthi intombazane rich, intombazane esekhaya ihluphekayo, they are attracted to things. Bafuna izinto nje. So uthola ukuthi uzothola indoda ezoza nothando, ize neqiniso, ize necommitment, kodwa uthola ukuthi lezi zinto abayifunayo ayinazo, which is imali, which is lifestyle, yabo, which is entertainment, ukubajabulisa. Yonke into ke revolve around imali. Uthola ukuthi uzogcina seyibhanga le ndoda le eze ngecommitment, eze ngothando, eze ngokubambisana. Uthola ukuthi uzogcina eseyibhanga le ndoda le, athole omunye usugar daddy eceleni, athole enye boyfriend ezokwazi ukuthi imhambise ngemoto, athole enye boyfriend ezokwazi ukuthi imlethele ukudla eres, athole enye boyfriend ezokwazi ukuthi imise ema-clubbing because they are attracted to things. 95% of the women, 95%. Ingakho kuze kuthiwa ubuhle bendoda inkomo zayo, which is a misunderstanding as well, ukuthi isho ukuthini leyo nto leyo, but bona they think ukuthi ubuhle bendoda ukuba nemali. It's what you have. Ugqokeni, uhamba ngemoto enjani, owasebukhosini yini, uvele ekhaya elinjani, yabo, because 95% of the women are attracted to things. So that's why kuba nzima ukuthi bacommit. Uthola ukuthi usiyambhanga umfana because ufuna ukuthi akwazi ukuthi athole lezi zinto ayidingayo. That is why sekhona item lokuthi contact to girlfriend allowance, khona inunu ekuthiwa girlfriend allowance. Ngeke ngizokuthiwa ikhonte kanjalo, isifo sikanjalo kuthiwa girlfriend allowance. That is why in most cases nekuhlukwanwa uthola ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uzokhala ngokuthi ifoni yami ngimenzela because vele abantu besifazane they are attracted to things. That's why abantu besilisa begwaza ngezinto ukuze babazuze, bejaha ngokuthi babenzele izinto, babathengele amafoni, babakhokhela ama-rent, babayise ema-restaurant abiza because they understand ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ufuna into eyodwa, which is things, yabo. So sometimes umuntu wesifazane emezofuna lezi zinto ayifunayo angayitholi kuwena, kuba nzima ukuthi acommit. That's why nemishado eminingi failure because meke kwaphela imali endodeni, kwaphela umsebenzi, umuntu wesifazane lezi zinto suke ekade ethi uzoyithola engasayitholi, thatha imithwalo yakhe abuyele ekhaya. If ungasakwazi ukumondla, ungasakwazi ukwenza kahle, thatha imithwalo yakhe abuyele ekhaya. So that's why in most cases i-commitment iba nzima between abantu besilisa nabantu besifazane. So we need to understand each other, yabo.